Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney to generate images using AI technology. So the first step is go to the website Midjourney by typing midjourney.com into your web browser. Then click on the start button to begin image generation process. Then enter a description or keyword that you want the AI to use to generate the image. For example, sunset over a beach or a puppy playing with a ball. Then wait for the AI to generate the image. Depending on the complexity of the image, this can take a few seconds to a minute. The next step is, once the image is generated, you can view it by clicking on the View button. You can also download the image by clicking on the Download button. You can also generate another image by clicking the New button. That's it. You have now generated an image using the AI technology on Midjourney. Keep in mind that the quality of the image generated will vary depending on the complexity of the description you provided. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.